All right, what is up, everybody? Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are doing great. My name is Robert Harris from Optical Noise Photography. I do have another channel about photography, so if you want to go check that out, it is down below, and I have a vlog channel down below. This is my new channel about editing. So I want to do one where you see my face, so what's up? And I wanted to do a tutorial. We've done 3 speed edits so far, which are fun to do, and I don't actually have to talk, which is nice. But I wanted to do a tutorial purely because I put this on Instagram. People were quite intrigued about how to do it, so I'm going to do this exact photo again. Obviously, this is already done, so that's the photo done. Here is the photo before and after, and then here's the photo and unedited. So this one might look a little bit different, but I'll show you what I'm going to do and then what you could do to it with the same trick. And then once I'm done, I'm going to just let it run faster and treat it as a speed edit, and you can see me dodge and burn and color grade and stuff. So I have a bunch of videos planned for you guys. Please do subscribe and like and follow and all that cool stuff. But anyway, let's jump right into this, and then I'll show you how to do it. All right, so in this photo, you can see it was very blue light. It was soft light. The sun had just gone down, so it's probably, I think they call it twilight light. So it's very blue. So I wanted to warm it up a bit just as an edit, and then I warmed him up very, very little to just match him. So we're gonna close both of these out. I am editing with a Wacom tablet. It's a very cheap one, you can see, but it works like a bomb. So I'm gonna show you what I would do, and then what you should do. Okay, so first thing I like to do is go to curves and then drop the black point a little, and then up the darks a little, and then bring down the highlights a little. Okay, so that's the first thing I would do. All right, so next thing you want to do is just warm the whole image a little. So we'll go into color balance. We'll put up the reds, down the yellows, which obviously red and yellow makes orange. Okay, then the next thing we're going to do is we are going to selective color. We go to neutrals, we put in some magenta, put in some yellow, and then what I like to do is make it a bit darker. So I'm going to put more black into the shot. Let's see what we can do here. So it's going a little bit pink, so I'm going to put more yellow in. Okay, now what doesn't look good here is it's going all over him, so he's getting very dark. Now all you want to do, this is the easy part about the new Photoshop, you click on the layer with him in it, push W for selection, and you click select subject up here. And then Photoshop, with the magic of the Photoshop fairies, is going to select him. Okay, it will do an almost perfect job. Okay, then all you're going to do is go back to the selective color layer and push delete. And if it doesn't work like that did there, it's because you're on foreground black here, so swap it to white and then delete. So now you can see now that background's only been added to the background, right? Now it looks a bit strange because he hasn't got any color on him now. So what I like to do is duplicate this layer, invert the layer, which now it's put it on him, and then just drop the opacity down to 0 and then bring it up until he matches a bit better. So as you can see there, now he's getting a bit more orange, right? You see what it's doing? So I do both layers purely because I don't want him to be blue still, because it doesn't make sense. So you add a little bit of color to him and then add a color to the background. This selecting subject layer is very handy for stuff like this where you want to do stuff. If we wanted to make him darker, like make the background even darker, we could do a curves layer. We click on here, select subject. Okay, go back to curves, delete him from the selection, and then we just take the background down. And you could do whatever you want with the background. So we could also do the complete opposite to this photo if you want to. So we could go into here. Nope. We could go into here. We could add a whole bunch of cyan in, minus the blue, minus the yellow, and then we'll start getting like a weird blue color. So you can be very creative with this. It's just not a normal way to see something. So I like to go into the warm side. So let's just undo all of that. And then, yeah, that's how you do it. It's very simple. Try this out. Let me know what you think. If you use it in an edit, show me. And then, yeah, if you guys want to try anything else, let me know. I do have free links to Luminar and Squarespace and stuff down below. If you want to buy any of the gear I use or the camera I filmed this on or the camera I took this picture on, links below. Go down there, check it out, like, subscribe, click the bell. And if you want to hang around, I'm going to speed edit this, enjoy the music, and watch me do the dodge or burn to him, and then show you the final product right at the end. Thanks for coming. See you guys later. People who are hanging out to the end, I appreciate you. Grab a coffee. Let's do this. All right, so I thought I would leave the camera pointing at my tablet and you guys can see how I would use it. I have got my own shortcut set up, so when I don't move my hand to push B and stuff for brush, this is why. I have everything set up to one hand so that my left hand can draw. I will do a video on this to show you guys how this works and why I do what I do. But for this video, let's just do this one finished and then we'll carry on next time.
Close your eyes. Relax. Breathe easy. Relax. Breathe easy. Yeah. Close your eyes. Yeah.
Okay, so we're done. There's before, there's after. I could obviously do more to this image if I wanted to, but I don't want to keep this going for too long. I just like to dodge and burn, and then I change the color a bit. The cropping I already did in Lightroom, so there you go. Hope you guys enjoy. See you guys later. Bye.